The name of the story is The Train of the Other World. Rohit reached the station in time. The inquiry counter informed that his train, Nilgarh Express, was standing at platform number 6B. Rohit reached at 6B platform in 5 minutes. Yes, his train is waiting there. He got into the train and occupied the berth allotted for him. Within 10 minutes, the train moved. Oh, what a satisfaction! It is only 5:30 in the evening. There is light of the setting sun from the west sky. The train is now passing through the village and rural areas. Rohit's mobile phone is ringing. He picked up the phone. Rohit, where are you? Are Asif? Where are you speaking from? From platform number 6A. Your train is standing here. It will start very soon. Why are you late? Traffic jam? Asif, my friend, I am sitting in my train. And the train started about 20 minutes ago. And I boarded the train from platform number 6B. Rohit, are you joking? I am a railway employee. No train arrives or departs from platform number 6B for the last 6 months. There stand some ruined compartments of a train that faced most severe accident about 3 years ago. Asif, I don't understand anything. I am traveling comfortably. A ticket checker is coming towards me to examine my ticket. Ticket checker? Tall and handsome, with French cut beard. Yes, that's true. Rohit, his name is Mahesh Rao. He was the TTE of the train that committed accident. He was dead long ago. What are you saying, Asif? Yes, it is true. That train collided with another train, then with a bridge and fell into the river below. Those broken compartments are kept in platform number 6B because only a very few number of compartments were saved from falling into the river. When did the accident happen? When? On 19th September 2017, 3 years ago. Oh my God. Then in which train I am traveling now? Rohit, it is a train of another world. You are not traveling in a real train. Actually, you are traveling in a ghostly train. And I don't know what is waiting for you in your immediate future. The TTE came near Rohit. Rohit looked at him and his black coat. Yes, his name Mahesh Rao was inscribed on his identity card. Ticket please. Rohit produced his ticket. Asif was still holding on the line. He was hearing everything. It is a future ticket. I want a ticket of 19th September 2017. Do you have it? No, sir. That day had passed more than 2 years. No, sir. 3 years ago. I know. Okay, you may travel. We shall have a new passenger among us. Very nice. Rohit now got up from his berth. He needed to go to the washroom. Just at the door of the washroom, he found a young boy standing. Please give me way, little boy. Saying this, he touched the shoulder of the boy. The next moment, the boy turned into sand and was blown away by strong wind coming through the exit door. A station was approaching. Desperately, Rohit tried to get down, but he could not. The TT Mahesh Rao pulled him back. He said, "You cannot get down here. You have to travel with us till the last stoppage." "What is the last stoppage, sir?" "Water. River water. Cool river water." The next moment, the compartment was filled with the mixture of both laughter and crying. A man wearing white dress approached Rohit. The man was holding a copy and a pen in his hand. He was taking order for the dinner. It was 10 minutes past 7. "Sir, what will you take? Veg or non-veg?" "Veg, and serve it at 9 p.m. sharp." "Veg is okay, sir. But sorry, you have to take your dinner before 8:30 p.m. "Why?" The man gave no answer. He only looked outside. After 2 minutes of silence, he said, "You will know when time comes." He went away. Rohit quickly googled a few words about the train accident on 19 September 2017. He found 19 September 2017, severe train accident. Train fell in the flooded river. Few survived. Time 8:35 p.m. Rohit understood why he could not take his dinner at 9 p.m. He would be in the river's water at that time, along with the train. His mobile phone rang. It was Asif again. "Rohit, listen to me carefully. It is now 8 p.m. already. You have only half an hour in your hand. Only half an hour you have in your hand. Do something to come out of that shadow train." "Shadow train?" "Yes, that train is the shadow of the train that was destroyed years ago. It is no more in the real world. Somehow it has come back from the death world, and it will take you also to the world of dead. Do something quickly." "What shall I do, Asif? What shall I do?" "Think of your any good friend who is no more in this world. Pray to him to help you. And remember, the train becomes a little slow before going up on the bridge. You have to jump from the train. Then you must jump. Otherwise, there is no hope of escape for you." Asif disconnected the line. Rohit looks at his watch. It is 8:15, means 8:15. Only 20 minutes are left. The passengers of the train are now slowly getting up. Their faces clearly show that they are long dead. Still, they are moving and coming to Rohit. They will surround Rohit and will not let him jump from the train. Rohit understands that. He understands that he will be surrounded by the ghostly passengers of the train. He has no escape. The bridge is approaching now. Strong cool wind is rushing from the river close by. A dog is barking. Yes, a dog. It has come from nowhere in the compartment. It has attacked the army of the dead passengers, the passengers who are ghosts actually. Rohit recognized the dog. It is Blackie, a street dog in his locality. Rohit used to feed him daily when it was alive. A few months ago, Blackie died under a running train. From the underworld, Blackie has now come back to save Rohit. The dog has not forgotten the man who had loved him and fed him in his lifetime. The dog is now fiercely fighting with the ghost passengers. Once he looked at Rohit and waved his tail. The ghost passengers were advancing towards Rohit. He pushed them back from Rohit. The train is now quite slow. Rohit is standing at the door. The long bridge is seen in semi-darkness. And not only that, another train is also arriving very fast towards it. A sure collision is going to happen. Rohit understands that the time is almost over. He does not know what is outside. He only knows he has to jump. So he jumped. He fell on the hard soil, wounded by some stones, yet he got up on his feet. Standing there, he saw the ghostly train first collided with another train coming at full speed from the opposite side. Then the train collided with the railings of the bridge. After that, its compartments started falling in the river below, one after another. A blood-chilling cry filled the night sky. Then everything became silent, deathly silence. Rohit took out his mobile phone and dialed Asif's number. Hello Asif, I am safe. Yes, I could get down from the death express at the last moment. Thanks God that I have finally saved my life. Suddenly, Rohit saw a shadowy creature was advancing to him. It was Asif. Asif, where have you come from? Rohit, I want to tell you something. I was also a passenger in that unfortunate train. I died that night. I know that the train becomes alive on 19th September every year. Today is 19th September. That is why I warned you earlier and told you how to save yourself. Bye Rohit, my time is up. I am going. Return home safely. And then Asif slowly dissolved in the darkness of the night.